in the past also, we are confirming to the entire media as well as our investors and shareholders and all the stakeholders that there will be consistency in the results of the Indian Bank, and we are showing the consistency. You will be happy to note that our net profit has touched 373.48 crore for the quarter ending December 2016, registering a growth of 782.93% from the corresponding period of previous year, December 15, which was 42.30 crore. Operating profit touched 1021.17 crore, registering a YOY growth of 34.27% from the corresponding period of last year. NII reached at a level of 1246.58 crore, registering a growth of 12.22% on YOY basis. During 9 months' time, I will inform you the total profit of the bank, net profit. The net profit of the bank registered a growth of 73.24% for 9 months alone. And operating profit registered a growth of 32.93% for 9 months on a YOY basis. NIM of the bank touched at 2.52 against the corresponding period of 2.31. Other income registered a growth of 36.60%, touched a level of 600 crore, exactly 599.70 crore. Return on asset is 0.71% against the corresponding period of December 15 of 0.08%. Return on equity reached at 10.40% against previous year of 1.28%. The book value of the share of the bank increased to 302 rupees 59 paisa against previous year of 274 rupees 51 paisa. Cost to income ratio, which is again a very important parameter to judge the strength and stability of the organization, the cost to income ratio reduced to 44.69% against previous year of 50.93%. The gross NPA to gross advances increased marginally to 7.69% from the previous quarter of 7.28%, and net NPA increased to 4.76% against the previous quarter of 4.62%. Provision coverage ratio has increased to 56.46% against the previous quarter of 55.11%, increased by 1.35% in the provision coverage ratio. I am happy to inform you that consistently Indian Bank capital adequacy ratio is number 1 among all the nationalized banks and the public sector banks, and it reached a level of 13.89% as on December 16, with a total tier 1 capital of 12.24% and CET1 of 11.84%. This is without plowback of the profit as per RBI guidelines. If we plow back the profit, there will be an increase of 80 bips, 80 to 85 bips in all these capital adequacy ratio numbers. The net worth of the bank increased to 14,533 crore from 14,184 crore. After this demonetization and the remonetization, the CASA increase was substantial for Indian Bank. The total CASA grew by 33.47%, touched a level of 69,003 crore as on December 16, and we have reached at a 38.71% of the total CASA to our total deposit. Share of retail deposit, as we told in the last previous times as well, that as a part of strategy, we are focusing to enhance our retail base. So our retail term deposit, that is up to 1 crore, the composition has increased from 75% as on March 16 to 83% as on December 16, precisely 82.69%.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.